Good morning. In this seminar, biomedical instrumentation, what are the devices used in the biomedicals? Instrumentation is the use of measuring instruments to monitor and control a process. It is the art and science of measurement and control of process variables within a production, laboratory, or manufacturing area. Types of biomedical instrumentation are direct or indirect, invasive, non-invasive, contact or remote, sensor, actuate, real-time or static. The instrument used in the biomedical applications are there are many instruments used in biomedical such as X-rays, electrocardiography, which is called as ECG, MRI, ultrasound, and CT scan. First, we will see the X-ray. The frequency of X-ray are approximately 1020 Hz, and its wavelength is approximately 0.0 to 10 nanometer. It consists of eye vacuum tube with a heater, cathode, and anode. Vacuum tube, a large DC voltage is used between the cathode and anode of the X-ray tube. How it is produced? When heater is on and a very high anode cathode is applied, the electrons emits cathode and travel towards the anode with high velocity. The beam of electrons strike a metal electrode and such speed, and the new X-rays are made from the slanting surface of the anode. The X-ray seems to bounce sideways out through the well of the tube. The schematic of the X-ray was shown. Next is the electrocardiography. Electrocardiography is a recording of the electrical activity of the heart. It picks up electrical impulses generated by the polarization and depolarization of the cardiac tissue and translate into a waveform. It detects and amplifies tiny electrical changes on the skin that are caused when the heart muscle depolarizes during each heartbeat. At rest, each heart muscle cells have a negative charge called the membrane potential across its cell membrane. The corresponding ECG obtained from the human was shown. Next, you will see the magnetic resonance imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging makes use of magnetical properties of certain atomic nuclei. The hydrogen nuclei behave like compact needles that are partially aligned by a strong magnetic field in the scanner. MRI does not involve radioactivity or ionistic radiation. The frequency used are in the normal radio frequency range, and there are no adverse health effects. Next, you see the advantages. MRI is particularly used for the scanning and detection of abnormalities in soft tissues structures in the body. There is no involvement of any kind of radiations in the MRI. MRIs can be provide information about the blood circulation throughout the body and blood vessels. Disadvantages of the MRI. MRI scan is done in an enclosed space. Fearful of being in a closed or enclosed surface or facing problems with the MRI due to MRI scans involve really loud noises while processing because of they involve a real high amount of electric current supply. MRI scans are usually expensive. Next, coming to the ultrasound. Ultrasound is oscillating sound pressure wave with a frequency greater than the upper limit of the human hearing range. The frequency of the ultrasound required for the medical imaging on the range of 1 to 200 mHz. Ultrasound can be used for cleaning. The corresponding ultrasound imaging was shown. Next, we will see the advantages of the ultrasonic imaging. Usually non-invasive, safe, and relatively painless. Uses no ionizing radiation. Does not usually require injection of the contrast medium. Disadvantage of the ultrasonic imaging are quality and interpretation of the image highly depends on the skill of the person during the scan. Use of special probe is required. Special preparations may be required before our procedure. Next use computerized tomography. It uses a computer that takes data from several X-ray images of structures inside the body or animal body and converts them into a pictures on the monitor. A CT scanner emits a series of narrow beams through the human body and is moved through the arc. Inside the CT scanner, there is an X-ray detector which can be used the hundred of different levels of density. It can see tissues inside the solid organ. This data is transmitted to the customer, which builds up a 3D cross-sectional picture of the body and displays it on the screen. Advantages are quick and painless, can help diagnosis and guide treatment for the wider range of artisans than pain X-rays, can detect or exclude the presence of more serious problems. Disadvantages are small increased risk of cancer in future from exposure to ionizing radiation, uses higher dose of radiation, so the risk are in general greater than the other imaging types. Corresponding series are shown. Thank you.